And welcome back. Hey, as the Bronx continues to rank number 62 of the 62 counties in New York State when it comes to health, our next guests are holding a rally at City Hall to say, enough is enough. And joining us with all the details, we have Immaculada Moronta and Toni Carter. That's an easy one. And Cheikhou Ann Oumar. Welcome.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did I get it right?
Yes,
Yes.
you did.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Well, enough is enough. Let's talk about it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So the Institute for Family Health and Bronx Health Reach that oversees this program is hosting this rally. And basically the Institute serves 150,000 patients annually, and Bronx Health Reach will work with bodegas, restaurants, and schools promoting healthy eating, healthy foods, physical activity, and health care.
How's that working out with the bodegas?
It's great.
We did something with the bodegas a while
Yes,
ago.
so we still have a lot of work to do, but we have started, and that is what counts.
You got to start it. That's what it's all about. And what part do you play?
Well, fortunately, last Monday we had an audience with Mayor de Blasio. There were myself and two other members from Bronx Health Reach Health Disparity Work Group.
Yeah.
And we went to him to tell him that 62 will not do.
62 will not do.
Will not do.
Has it gotten better? Because they've been talking about that for some time.
No, it has not.
It has not.
It has not. It has been 10 years that we've ranked 62 out of 62.
counties.
So we presented a few issues, because there are many issues in the Bronx that need to be spoken about. But we spoke about health, we spoke about housing, and we spoke about economic opportunity.
Immaculada, you mentioned that you started working with the bodegas, and what are some of the other organizations?
So we're working with restaurants, schools, parks, and faith-based organizations in the Bronx.
How's that
yes.
working out? I mean, to be doing it for 10 years, you got to make an impact somewhere.
So the Robert Johnson Foundation County Health Rankings Report has been ranking counties all over the United States, and yes, for 10 years we've been ranked last. Our work has been steady, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done.
Yeah.
Our ask of the mayor, the Bronx Borough President, city council members, and New York State elected officials is to make the Bronx its top priority in terms of in all levels and sectors of the government.
Well, let's continue to roll up our sleeves.
Yes.
Cheikhou, you in it?
Yes, I'm in.
All right.
I'm in. On my case, I'm a Bronx resident, but I work a lot with the immigrants and then the Muslim community and the Africans.
Yeah.
Because that's a community that's really mixed up because they bring their own culture, and trying to work with this awareness of healthcare wasn't very easy. So we had to just help them increase the awareness of it. You know? So mostly in the Muslim country, the Muslim community and the African community.
But how do you get everybody on the same page saying, hey, we need to change our diets. We need to change, what we're doing to enhance our health?
Exactly. On the Bronx Health Reach, we had a program called Healthy Children and Healthy Families.
Yeah.
So we had some parents and we have some kids that was trained at the same time.
Yeah.
Example, we had an imam that didn't know he was a trainer on that program and didn't know that it wasn't that great to use that much sugar on his drinks. He was taking 4 or 5 cans a day.
Whoa, yeah.
So after the training, he realized that it was excessive sugar in the thing, and he started training his people at the mosque to reduce their drinking in sugars. Not using a lot of sugars.
So you can change a lot of things, just by changing your diet. Now we have to do something about, get the elected officials on board about the air quality and everything in our neighborhoods. Let's talk about the rally. What's going to happen there? I'm looking at all three.
So the rally, we're really excited about it. So we're having a social media campaign full blown. Follow us on Not62, Bronx Not62 on Instagram, and also
Not62.
Bronx Not62 and Bronx Health Reach. And we're starting at 12 tomorrow, snow, rain, or shine. And we are reaching out to everybody. We send out flyers. We have faith-based organizations do the outreach, and all partners that we come across with.
No matter what it's going to do outdoors, we're going to be there because it's that important.
Absolutely.
We have to be there. Yeah.
So everybody shows up, and what happens? What do you see?
So we're going to have a couple of speakers there. We're going to have people with signs, of course. Then we're going to be our chanting, our not 62 will not do, we must do better, we can do better. And we're going to have speakers that are related to the topics or priorities, health, transportation, economic opportunities, and talking about why this is important for the Bronx and why we need to have this as a top priority for everybody.
All right. Website?
So Bronx Health Reach, you can follow us at, theinstitute.org, and find us at Bronx Health Reach at our site, and as of course, social media, Bronx Health Reach, and the Bronx Not 62 on
go.
Instagram and all of
Enough is enough.
Enough is
Everybody
enough.
know enough is enough.
Enough is
Right?
enough.
We're gonna have the signs out there. Think we
Exactly.
chanting? Who you got the bullhorn?
like
no
to-
bullhorn, we can't, excuse me, we can't amplify sound.
You can't?
No, we can't
Oh, you
amplify
can get a
city.
permit. Just go ahead and do it.
Well, next time.
Too late for that.
Or just sit down and say, I'm not moving until something is done.
So I think our Toni Carter gave you a pin that we're all wearing
yeah.
today.
Right.
Hopefully you can share with others and as part of this campaign as well.
You know, we're going to try to put it on with one hand. Not 62.
Not
Yes.
62.
Thank you. Immaculada, thank you. Toni and Cheikhou,
Yes.
thank you so much. All right,
you
give
so
them
much.
a big round of applause, everybody. And we'll take a break. Enough is enough.
Enough is
We'll be right back.